Today, we will talk about Hawala is an informal method of transferring money without any physical money actually moving. It is described as a money transfer without money movement. Another definition is simply trust. Hawala is used today as an alternative remittance channel that exists outside of traditional banking systems. Transactions between Hawala brokers are made without promissory notes because the system is heavily based on trust and the balancing of Hawala brokers' books. Hawala originated in South Asia during the 8th century and is used throughout the world today, particularly in the Islamic community, as an alternative means of conducting funds transfers. Unlike the conventional method of transferring money across borders through bank wire transfers, money transfer in Hawala is arranged through a network of Hawaladars or Hawala dealers. Hawala dealers keep an informal journal to record all credit and debit transactions on their accounts. Debt between Hawala dealers can be settled in cash, property, or services. Hawala allows people to transfer money even if they don't have formal banking relationships or access to established financial networks. For people without a government-issued ID or bank account, Hawala networks may be the only way to send remittances, particularly if the destination is in another country. In other circumstances, it may be cheaper or faster than dealing with the paperwork of official channels. How does Hawala work? Let's say Miriam needs to send $200 to Amir, who lives in another country. She will approach a Hawaladar, Nasir, and give him the amount of money she wants Amir to receive, including the details of the transaction, the name of the recipient, city, and password. Nasir contacts a Hawala dealer in the recipient city, Muhammad, and asks him to give Amir $200 on the condition that Amir correctly states the password. The very features that make Hawala an attractive avenue for legitimate patrons also make it attractive for illegitimate uses. Thus, Hawala is frequently referred to as underground banking. This is because money launderers and terrorists take advantage of this system to transfer funds from one location to another. Because Hawala transfers aren't routed through banks and, hence, aren't regulated by governmental and financial bodies, many countries have been led to re-examine their regulatory policies in regard to Hawala. Most countries have laws related to informal funds transfer systems, like Hawala, that seek to curb the negative activities created by such a system. Some fintech companies are implementing the Hawala system in providing financial services to the unbanked and underbanked populations of the world. Mobile banking and payment platforms, such as Pega and M-Pesa, are revolutionizing the financial system in certain African countries by promoting financial inclusion through the Hawala system of financial services. Hawala trades are illegal in the US and many other countries because financial regulations require money services businesses to obtain appropriate licenses and follow anti-money laundering laws. Hawala money is funds that are transferred using the Hawala system, in which no actual movement of funds from one account to another account happens, no paper trail is created, and no promissory notes exist. Hawala is legal in Dubai as long as the Hawala provider is registered with the United Arab Emirates Central Bank and abides by the regulations that exist. Hawala is an informal funds transfer system that allows for the shifting of money from one person to another without the actual movement of money. It is a simple process that requires no documentation and, therefore, is an anonymous system of moving money. Because of its anonymity, Hawala also has been a means for illegal activity to take place, such as money laundering and the financing of terrorism. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. Hawala, sometimes referred to as underground banking, is a way to transmit money without any currency actually moving. 2. Hawala networks have been used since ancient times. Today they are found among expats of developing countries sending remittances home. 3. Hawala provides anonymity in its transactions, as official records aren't kept and the source of money can't be tracked. 4. Some countries, like India, have made Hawala illegal due to its informal nature and absence of regulation or oversight. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.